archerfish use jets of water like arrows. A hunter first estimates the range of its target, then loads with a precise amount of water. Aiming, they allow for the refraction and distortion created by the water's moving surface. And then release. They can hit prey up to 2 meters above them. But they're not born with this skill. They have to learn it. This youngster is watching a master at work. It's time for the apprentice to have a go. First, he must select a target. Missed. Others watch to learn from his mistakes. Or to steal his prize. There is one way to beat the thieves. The archer himself becomes the arrow. Mangroves are unusually stable coastal environments where an archerfish can focus on beating the competition.